At some point, it'd be nice if people stopped using the terms online, blended, and face-to-face to describe learning and realized that learning can occur in a variety of settings, often multiple settings. Of these three common learning environments, early research suggests that blended learning, in which some of the learning is delivered online, either in or out of a class or both, has the greatest impact on student learning. Perhaps it's because it's a bit of the best of both worlds. Students comfortable with digital resources and that have the skills and knowledge to work independently relish the freedom online learning gives them over the pace and place at which they learn. But sometimes it's nice to be in a physical space with the teacher and your classmates, where it can be easy to interact, ask questions, and have new learning modeled or supported directly. According to the Aurora Institute, personalized learning is tailoring learning for each student's strengths, needs, and interests, including enabling student voice and choice in what, how, when, and where they learn, to provide flexibility and supports to ensure mastery of the highest standards possible. Teachers new to personalizing and extending learning through digital technologies sometimes forget to apply some of the sound instructional design and pedagogical strategies they have honed in face-to-face settings. All too often, they focus too much on features of the technology. Remember, the technology supports the learning, so like any good instructional activity, consider what the learner should know and be able to do, how they can demonstrate they have met learning goals, and the types of learning activities that will help them meet those learning goals. If the learners need practice, select technologies to provide practice. If they need to collaborate with others, select technologies that support collaboration. Technology should be selected to meet learning needs, rather than selecting the coolest new tool first and trying to force learning into it. As a coach, you play an essential role in helping educators begin with the purpose of the learning first. As a coach, you offer others the opportunity to gain line of sight on what works and what doesn't through reflection. This is a key piece to learning forward, regardless of the type of learning taking place. Explore the resources and suggested activities on the companion document, or find additional resources on your own to help you reach your goals. There's a lot there, so you may want to consider a particular learning need, such as an upcoming lesson or project with another teacher, to focus your review of the material.